Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change WhatsApp icon. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. If you are one of those who prefer personalize your mobile device as much as possible, then you will most likely be interested in knowing how to change the color of the WhatsApp icon. So in this video, I'll show you how to change your WhatsApp icon color. It's very simple. So first of all, as you can see here, my WhatsApp icon is pink. How to make it like this? It's very simple. So you can just open your WhatsApp. From WhatsApp, you can go to setting. You can tap on the upper right corner on the three dots over here, select some settings. You can see there is an option subscription. To change your WhatsApp icon, you can upgrade your WhatsApp to WhatsApp Plus. But don't worry, your first subscribe on WhatsApp Plus, you will get a free trial for 1 month. So you can just subscribe. You can try the trial that WhatsApp gives to you, and you will get the benefits like change your app name, choose a custom app icon. You can open it. You can update your WhatsApp icon. And in here, as you can see, you have so much options that you can choose if you want to make it purple or orange, like this, like this. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change your WhatsApp icon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.